Have you ever read something online and suddenly thought, oh, I need this? You weren't even thinking about it 2 minutes ago, but now you're ready to click buy. That's not magic. That's not luck. That's something called copywriting. And today I'm going to show you what it is and why it's a skill that can literally change your life. Copywriting is just writing that makes people take action. It could be buying something, signing up, donating, or even clicking a button. It's the secret weapon behind every product you've ever bought. The white sneakers you love? Copywriting made you feel they would make you faster. That phone you upgraded to? Copywriting made you feel you needed the new camera. Here's the crazy part. People don't buy because of logic. They buy because of how they feel. Copywriting speaks to feelings first, then backs it up with facts. It's the difference between saying, this chair is made of wood, and saying, sit in comfort while feeling like a king in his throne. Which one do you prefer? Exactly. If you can write in a way that moves people to act, you can sell anything, products, ideas, and even yourself in a job interview. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need fancy words. You just need to know how to connect with people's emotions using some power words. So now you know. Copywriting is just using words to make people act. Here's your challenge. Look around your house. Pick one thing you own. Write one short sentence that would make someone else want it and post it in the comment section. Let's go. If you like this video, hit that like button, share, and subscribe to my channel, because in the next video, I will show you how to write words that actually make people buy from you effortlessly. See you in my next video.